In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create motivational video on Synthesia. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Synthesia AI and press enter. You'll see results for the official Synthesia website. Click the official result to make sure you're in the right place. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that with your existing account. Or create one if you don't have it yet. This gets you into the dashboard where you can start building your video. Once you're in, look for the Create button and click it. This takes you to the project area. From here, choose Start from Blank. Templates are great for speed, but starting from blank gives you full control and helps you shape a unique motivational style. You'll see a clean canvas with space for your scenes and your script. Now, write your script. Keep it focused and uplifting. A simple structure works well. Begin with a strong hook that speaks to a challenge your audience faces. Follow with a short, relatable story or message of perseverance, and end with a clear takeaway or call to action. Use short sentences and active language so the pacing feels energetic. Aim for concise sections that fit comfortably into a 1 to 2 minute video and read it aloud once to make sure it sounds natural. Give your project a clear, memorable title. Keep it short, benefit-driven, and aligned with your message. Something a viewer could recognize instantly if they see it in a playlist. The title helps organize your work inside Synthesia and can double as the headline if you publish the video later. Add subtitles so your message is accessible and easy to follow with the sound off. Make sure the text matches your script, punctuation is correct, and line breaks feel natural. Keep the text large enough to read and place it where it won't cover important visuals. Consistent capitalization and a high contrast color will improve readability. When everything looks good, click Generate. Synthesia will render a preview based on your script and settings. Use this moment to take a breath and let the system process your video. If you're prompted to confirm or finalize, click Generate again to continue. Once the render finishes, play it back from start to finish to make sure the tone, timing, and subtitles align with your message. And that's it. Your motivational video is ready. Keep refining your script and titles as you go, and you'll build powerful videos faster each time.